Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandramani Pandey and thank you very much for watching my other videos. In the last video, I shared a script showing how to add users in bulk to Entra or Intune group using PowerShell script. In today's video, I will share a new script and show you how to remove users in bulk from Entra or Intune group using PowerShell scripts. So let's get started. Before we dive in, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further videos. According to the YouTube analytics, a large number of viewers watch my videos without subscribing. So if you find this helpful, show your support by subscribing. It really encourages me to keep creating more time-saving automation content like this for you. Now I am on my client machine and let's see how we can remove users in bulk from Entra or Intune group. So to do this, we have to first download the PowerShell script and I will provide the script link in the description section, and I already downloaded the script and saved in my download folder. So let me open the PowerShell ISC as an administrator and let me load the script which I already downloaded and saved in my download folder. And within this script, we have to just update the user input section. In target group name, we have to provide the group name from where you want to remove the user. So in last video, we already created a group called demo bulk add users. Let me copy this. And if you go to the members, we can see that in this group, we have 31 members. So let me update this. I want to remove the user from this group and I have to update the which user I want to remove from this group. For that, we have to provide the text file with the user email ID. So let me go to the temp folder. And within temp folder, I have already created a text file called demo bulk remove users. And within that, let me update the user. Let me remove everything. And I want to just remove the very first username. Let me copy it and save it in the notepad file and click on save. And now let me go and copy this file location, copy as path and update in the script with the latest file path. So that's all we have to do now. After running this script, it will remove that particular user from the group. Let me select all and click on run. And now let me run this script as an Intune admin. And now we can see that it started and completed the action very quickly because we want to remove only one device. We can see that this user is now removed, and we can also see that in summary, total user process 1 and user removed 1. If we go to the Intune portal and refresh the membership, now we can see that we have 30 group members. So this script is working. Let me go ahead and update all users and update the text file with and click on save. Now this time I want to remove all the users, and we know that one user we already removed from this group. So let me execute this entire script one more time and authenticate again with the Intune admin rights. And now we can see that it started removing the user one by one. And now it's executed successfully, and we can see that for one user which we already removed in the previous case is not found because we already removed this user from this group. And in summary, we can see that total user process 31, out of which user removed 30 and user not found 1, and same thing we can find in this text file. If we go to the temp folder, we can see that not found user, and we can see that user is not found user. And if we go to the user removed successfully, we can see that all these users script removed automatically using the PowerShell. And now if we go to the Intune portal and refresh the group membership, and now we can see that now all the users are now removed from this group. So that's all I want to show you how we can use PowerShell script to remove users in bulk from Entra or Intune group. I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.